A development executive is a person that comes to the Royal Society of Chemistry to raise funds for the projects. We have a variety of projects in science, education, industry and even internationally with the help of our members in order to deliver chemistry sciences, advance the chemical sciences essentially. The role of the development executive is there's no ordinary day. Every day is different. There is a lot of, I would say, networking and working with people internally and externally. So in the fundraising group or the development team, we need to work and understand what the projects are in order that we can gain funds to facilitate those projects. There's always a variety of meetings, of reports to write, of proposals to put in, and sometimes deadlines to meet as well. I studied chemistry at Strathclyde University, and in that degree I also did a year in industry where I worked for GlaxoSmithKline, Glaxo Wellcome as was, and then I also did a year in Montpellier in France where I studied chemistry in French, of all things. So that took me to GlaxoSmithKline for my first full-time role, and that in that company I did I held two posts. One was in research and one was in manufacturing, and then I left GSK to work in the voluntary sector for 4 years. The need now is to be more people orientated and to be able to work in teams, because even when I was in the lab I still had to interface with analytical departments, I had to interface with the pilot plant when products and projects were scaled up. So there's a lot of working in teams. In this particular role I think communication is key. I think there has to be listening skills, planning and organising, which has been true throughout my career path and from the very beginning in research as well. I think chemists are very methodical and very organised in their approach, and that is definitely needed in this role. I think it's juggling all the priorities that we feel we have, and the development team are working well to divide the different areas according to our skills, and that's always challenging, kind of trying to keep the communication going internally but still deliver the projects externally. So I think time management is a key tool. It's the diversity of this role is really something that is exciting. It really does mean that you can be energised in different ways from this role. The people that you interact with, seeing the project delivery is quite something in terms of what our members do. It really is inspiring to see what we can deliver as a society with the help of our membership. Delivering projects for me gives me the greatest sense of satisfaction. I think when we achieve results as a team, that really does help to kind of get me out of bed in the morning.